In today's video tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to post a template on TikTok. So first things first, we must be on CapCut, which is a free all-in-one video editor and video maker application that is truly mobile and PC compatible. You must next design your template using your modified videos or any extra animation and effects, and you are ready good to go. You must next design your template using your modified videos or any extra animation and effects, and you are ready to export. And after that, you see a lot of options here, so you're just gonna have to click on share to TikTok. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you find this very helpful and informative, and I'm looking forward for the next video, and see you in the next one.